This video demonstrates the NS3 simulation of a digital drone show in Afarion iPlayground. The goal of this project is to simulate a Flying Ad-hoc Network, FANET, where 631 drones coordinate their movements to form the message, Happy New Year 2026. The workflow is divided into 3 stages. Generation. A Python script calculates the pixel coordinates of the text and exports them as an NS2 formatted mobility trace. Simulation. An NS3 C++ script imports these coordinates and applies them to a node container. Visualization. The resulting XML file is loaded into NetAnim to view the drones flying into formation. Under NetAnim, we can hide the node labels, hide the grid, increase the node size and increase the playback speed, and visualize the digital drone show. We can run and visualize NS3 simulations in an interactive way under Afarion iPlayground.